Welcome to the first episode of our new podcast, Olsatools, Grease and Gears. We'll dive into some information about our tools, tool organizers, and tool accessories. Today, the star of the show is the 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. Let's take a look at this Olsatools 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. As we can see, it includes the calibration certificate, a must for this kind of tools, especially professional brands like Olsatools. Let's take a closer look at these. We have the thank you card over here with the brand promises and the contact information. Then we have the operating instructions. Be sure to give it a good read. Having this kind of tools requires the user to be informed about them. And last but not least, the calibration report in which you can see the clockwise and counterclockwise accuracy tests this professional torque tool has been through. We can see that there are 3 scales on it, 2 major scales and 1 minor scale. The minor scale goes from 0 to 9 feet-pounds, which is also from 1.36 up to 12.20 Newton meters. The 2 major scales are just equivalent between each other. One goes from 74.6 up to 345.7 Newton meters, and the other one goes from 50 up to 250 feet-pounds. To unlock the handle, hold the body tube and pull the locking ring back, allowing the handle to turn clockwise or counterclockwise. Set the desired torque by turning the handle. For example, to set the torque wrench to 104 feet-pounds. Turn the handle until the 0 marking on the minor scale matches up with the 100 feet-pounds marking on the major scale. Turn the handle further clockwise until the 4 on the minor scale lines up with the vertical line on the major scale. Now the torque is set to 104 feet-pounds. Release the locking ring to lock the handle. Over here, we have the 1/2-inch drive-size shallow impact sockets. We'll use the 19mm one as an example. Once it is attached to the square head, it will be quite difficult for it to get loose, no matter the force applied to it. The 15 degrees flex head of this torque wrench can go up and down on the range aforementioned, making it easy to torque lug nuts on negative offset rims. You can easily change directions by pushing this small lever. The durable all-steel knurled handle design provides you with great grip, even with greasy hands. Let's take a look at how it works. First, set the desired torque setting, then double-check the direction you need for the job at hand. Install the proper socket, apply a steady force to the center of the handle. Stop pushing once you feel and hear a distinct and satisfying click. Remember to always set the torque wrench at the lower torque settings before storing it in its protective case. Do not force the handle below the lowest setting. Periodic recalibration is necessary to maintain accuracy. Check the torque wrench for accuracy once a year or after 5,000 cycles, whichever comes first, and recalibrate as needed. An out-of-calibration torque wrench can cause damage to the tool and introduce dangerous inaccuracies to your work. Contact us if you need support finding an authorized service center. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep it cool and greasy.